Alright guys, today I'm just going to show you how to clean these clouded headlights using guys two simple stuff. This is a regular mosquito spray. This is long lasting, using this one, and then a microfiber towel. So just going to show you guys how to do it. I recently bought these other regular stuff we normally use for headlights, but I'm going to see guys if it really works out. Alright, so first step first, you take the spray, and what you do guys, you just spray over this guy like this. You just spray over it. Let it sink in, guys. I think my spray is getting over. And I can put it over there. So guys, next thing, here's my towel. I just let's go through it like that. Just clean it, guys. Just take it out like that, and see guys if this really works out. I'm not sure. Okay. Alright guys, so guys, this is how the light looks like after the cleaning. I think guys, after multiple cleaning and spraying, unfortunately my spray guys is thing is over. Let me try another round. And see, put it right there. Okay, all right. There we go guys, this is how it looks like. Then guys, the other side, this is how it looks like. And then guys, this one we just cleaned right now. So it looks like. So guys, I hope this video really helps you out as you do you clean your stuff. This should just last you for a while. It's not really a permanent solution, but it just help you out. So guys, I hope it really helps out. See you next time. Please leave likes and comments about what you think about a mosquito spray and doing this wonderful job. Alright, see you next time.